We'll guide you through how to use table view in ClickUp. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser on your computer. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar. Open the list that you want to use, and make sure you are working in the correct location before continuing. To use the table view, click the View menu displayed at the top of the list. From the list of available views, select Table to add the table view to your current list. The table view has now been added, and you can customize it if needed to better match your workflow. For example, keep the default settings if you want to start working immediately without making any additional changes. You can now view all of your tasks in the table view, where task information is displayed in rows and columns for easier organization, management, and quick access to important task details. If you want to create a new task, click Add Task to open the task creation form. Enter a name for the task, and choose a title that clearly describes the work that needs to be completed so it is easy to recognize later. If you want to change the task status, click the Status button and choose the status that best suits your needs from the available options so the task accurately reflects its current progress. Next, if you want to assign the task to a member, click the Assignee button and select the member who will be responsible for completing the task. To add a due date, click the Due Date button and choose a date according to your needs so the task has a clear deadline that can be tracked more effectively. If you also want to set a priority, click the Priority button and choose the priority level that best suits the importance and urgency of the task. After reviewing all of the task information, click Create Task to save the new task. You have now successfully created a task in the table view. If needed, you can also customize your tasks directly in the table to display the information that is most relevant to your workflow, allowing you to organize and manage your tasks more efficiently without leaving the table view.